What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today is another shoe custom video. You guys know that the holidays, well, by the time you guys see this, it's gonna be after the holidays, but the holidays are near and I need Christmas presents. I need to give Christmas presents. So today I have a pair of Air Force Ones, and I am going to be customizing this for my dad. So they did come with already black bottoms, whatever. They didn't have his size in the all whites, which is cool. We can still make it work. The vision for this shoe is going to be, he lives in Florida, so I was thinking of doing some Florida type vibes on here. His business name kind of on the back heel tab here. Also think I'm going to do the Chicago like skyline across here, maybe like the Bears logo, the White Sox logo, and then again his business name back here. Try to keep it neutral using the black, grays, whites. Want something that he could wear every day if he wanted to. Try not to put any color in there. He can kind of wear these with anything. So let's just get straight into it. You guys already know before we start, we have to remove these laces. We don't want to get any paint on those laces. Once we remove those laces, we're going to take our acetone so we can strip the shoe from any factory setting paint they have on there. Now that I got the shoe all prepped, what I'm gonna go in and do is actually load up my laptop, go into Design Space, and create my stencils. While that's getting cut out, I'll then take my tape and tape off the shoe where I don't want the paint to hit. I then apply my stencil on there using my heat gun to make it adhere to the shoe a little bit better so no paint leaks underneath. Then start mixing my paint to get the color that I want, put it in my airbrush, and start applying thin, light layers of paint, hitting it with my heat gun in between the layers. I apply about 5 or 6 coats of paint. I was a little bit nervous to see how the stencil held on, so I did take it off and ooh. Then I went ahead and applied the stencil to the rest of the shoe and airbrushed it. Instead of taping off the rest of the shoe and airbrushing, I decided to go in with a paintbrush and hand paint those spots instead. And removing the tape is the most satisfying part. Like, wait, look at this. Ooh! Once the tape's off, I go in with my paintbrush and paint everything that the tape may have been covering. And I top it off with some matte finisher. All right, and just like that, the shoe is done. I have a pit bull because he has a pit bull named Blue. I have my brother's birth year. My brother, if you weren't born in this year, Dad, I don't know whose year you got on there, but I'm pretty sure, if I can remember correctly, this is the year. If not, I'm sorry. He's a Pisces. My birth year in a palm tree, because again, he lives in Florida. It has Next Level Vision, which is his business. On this shoe, we have the White Sox. We have the city skyline. We have 1978, again, the year that my dad was born. Again, Dad, if you're watching this and you were not born in 1978, just look past it, okay? And then the Chicago Bears logo here. And then, oops, and then on this one, hashtag business as usual. My dad is always saying this, so I thought I would put that on there. Again, let me know how you guys think I did. This is kind of giving me like dunk vibes. These kind of look like dunks. Make sure you guys drop that like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.